You have seen what our colleagues in the southwest are doing, and some of them from the southeast. Some of us told them with all modesty and humility, you are wrong. But the person that is most wrong is the governor of Benue State, my brother and my colleague, Governor Otto. He started all this. If you don't accommodate other tribes, we are also accommodating your tribes in Bauchi and other places. We have so many people working in farming in Al-Kaleri, farming in Tafawa Balewa, farming in Bogoro. Has anybody told them to go? We have not, because it's their own inalienable right to be there. We have Yoruba people in Bauchi for over 150 years, even before the birth of Nigeria. Nobody has talking to them. Some of them have risen to become permanent secretaries in Gombe, in Bauchi, and in Borno. And now, because a Fulani man is practicing the tradition of transhumance, pastoralism, he has been exposed to the vagaries of the forest, the animals, and now the cattle rustlers who carry guns, kill him and take away his commonwealth, that is the cows. He had no option but to carry AK-47 because the society and the government are not protecting him. What is his fault? It's the fault of the government and the people. You don't criminalize all of them, because in every tribe there are criminals. If cybercrime is being practiced mostly by one tribe, you don't criminalize the whole tribe that they are criminals. Everybody is important. We have been deepening stakeholding. You, the media, you must make sure you single out such heroes for promotion. Not those people that will speak from Ekiti or from Ondo, that Fulani should leave their forest. Nobody owns any forest. The forest is owned by Nigeria. Under Section 23, 24, 25 of the Constitution, every Nigerian is free to stay anywhere. And let me tell you, nobody had the freedom of matriculations or speaking anyhow. Anybody can speak anyhow. But we are exercising restraint. Because even from the Senate, when we did the doctrine of necessity, it was because of freedom, because of rights and privileges, because we have to protect each other. I became a minister of FCT not because I was nominated from Bauchi. Somebody from the Niger Delta gave me that opportunity. There was no need of tribe or religion. There was no need for geography. I was selected just like that. And that is the Nigeria we want. Not people telling, okay, if there are criminals among the pastoralists, bring them out. If you want to stop the practice of pastoralism, start by persuasion. Nobody can tell a thief man that he should stop planting yam because it causes blood pressure or it causes sugar problem. If you do that, he will fight you because you have not given him alternative. You ask him to only go and plant wheat. He will not do it because that's what he knows.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.